Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Today we're back with another OEB video. So let's get started. Today our topic is Occupational Exposure Banding OEB process step 2. Occupational Exposure Banding OEB has several steps, but today we talk about step 2, exposure assessment. This step should evaluate the potential of substances for the workplace. This includes identifying the route of exposure such as skin contact, estimating exposure levels such as work practices, engineering factors, personal protection. Next week we'll discuss about step 3, risk characterization. Stay with Senieer YouTube channel. If you have any inquiry related pharmaceutical like solid dosage form, raw material, powder line, liquid line, contact us. We'll provide best solution possible. Please support our YouTube channel to grow. Subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.